So today's view is a new wrap for our garage door for Christmas. Enjoy the view. And if you like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel, Bob's Bites of Life. Thanks.
Okay, so it's Friday, not Saturday. Yes, the day after Thanksgiving. Hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. So I have put up the new nativity scene mural, and let me show you what I've done. Went to Harbor Tools and bought these hooks that are magnets and put them on the door. Now, they came with a little rope, and I'm like, little rope isn't gonna hold this sucker up, but I'm about to try something, and I think I know what's gonna happen, but let's see what happens. Okay, so that's what happens. Jeez. Okay, that just, we know what this means every night. Okay, I put that back down. That's what happens. Okay, so basically, we got two different types of hooks, and we're gonna try something. We put the smaller ones on the top, but these smaller ones will hold up to 85 pounds each. And then the ones on the bottom will hold up to about 65 pounds each. So I'm gonna see how this happens, but I'm gonna try something first. I'm gonna try raising that garage door. Boy, it's kind of windy out today. We'll see what happens. Now that's what happens. The magnets. 1, 2, apparently 3 of them came off. Okay. I'll see how many of the magnets came off. I didn't put the cover back on, but I wanted to try and see. Yep, see, only 2 of the magnets stayed, so that ain't gonna work. Oh, wait a minute, there's one down here in the corner. So 2 of them came off. Okay. All right, I know what to do. Plan C. All right, we're about to have the moment of truth now. I think this is part of Plan C going on to Plan D. So I took the hooks and I took out the hooks and put just the flush magnet. Let's see how this works. Okay, so this time I think I have finally solved the issue. What I did was put the magnets near the eyelets. Oh, it definitely took the hooks off, and we're gonna see what happens. I'll probably put them back on it, but we'll see what happens. We're gonna try this out. Hopefully everything will stay. All right, so here's the completion of the nativity scene on the garage. Yep. I think that looks pretty good. Now, if I go back even further, the moon is above it too, so that's a good picture right there. I like that. So, yes, we're coming upon Merry Christmas. Enjoy the view.